FYI 10 ways to teach you to solve the problem that LightyearVPN cannot connect to the network in Windows. When using LightyearVPN on Windows, you may encounter the problem that LightyearVPN cannot connect normally. Although connected is displayed, it still cannot be over the wall. Google, Facebook, Twitter and other websites still cannot be opened. At this time, it may be because of the network setting problem of the Windows system. LightyearVPN cannot set the system proxy normally. Here are 10 ways to help you solve the problem and let you try and experience LightyearVPN happily. 1. Try other lines, try other network modes. You can try other lines first recommend the BGP line, then the CN2GIA line. You can also try other lines. Then switch to different network modes on the client's setting interface. You can choose GFW mode, bypass China mode and global mode. 2. Try other browsers. Sometimes the proxy cannot connect, it may be because of the browser settings. The recommended browsers are Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Try not to use 360 browser, QQ browser. Firefox needs to be manually switched to the system proxy, which can be found in the settings. Google Chrome may not be able to access the internet due to the interference of some browser plugins. For example, browser plugins such as AstaVPN, OlaVPN, UnblockYuku, Switchy Omega, Google Access Assistant, Grease Monkey, etc., need to be closed or deleted, and then try again. If IE and Edge cannot be used, it may be due to a problem with the system network settings, which can be repaired in the network and the internet. 3. Impact of other VPN software. It may be that you have installed other VPNs on your computer before, such as Astral VPN or ExpressVPN, changed the system network settings or conflicts, causing LightyearVPN to fail to proxy the system network normally. You can try to delete these VPN clients. Then in the setting interface of LightyearVPN, press the Reset All button and restart the computer. 4. Start the virtual network card mode, transparent proxy. You can try the Startup Virtual Network Card mode of LightyearVPN. Versions after 2.0.0 support this function. After enabling this mode, all TCP and UDP traffic on the computer will be forwarded to the virtual network card adapter on the computer, which is the transparent proxy mode. How to start the virtual network card, or if you encounter difficulties after it is turned on, please refer to the virtual network card help document. 5. 360 Security Center Consent Butler and other software interference. These security software will block the network settings of LightyearVPN and interfere with scientific internet access. These include 360 Security Guard, Consent Butler, Masterloo, QQ Butler, Tinder, and similar antivirus software. Take a look at the blacklist of these software first. If LightYears are in it, please delete it first. Then add LightyearVPN to the whitelist or trust list of these software. Finally close or completely delete these software. Sometimes you can't connect just by closing these software because they are still running in the background, so it is recommended to delete them. 6. Problems with system network settings. It may be a problem with the system network agent. Exit LightyearVPN first. Go to the control panel, open the Internet options, click the Connection tab, and click LAN settings. Then set according to the settings below. Cancel automatically detect settings, cancel use automatic configuration script, check use a proxy server for LAN, and fill in 127.0.0.1:8081. Finally, don't forget to press the OK and Apply buttons, so that it will take effect. Proxy server 7. Reset button. Try the Reset Settings, Reset Network and Reset DNS buttons in the VPN settings interface of Lightyear, and then restart the computer. LightyearVPN Reset Network 8. Network Diagnosis. Try the network diagnostics that comes with Windows. Open the control panel, Network and Internet, Network Connection, double-click the Ethernet or connected network, and then press the diagnostic button to repair the network settings. 9. Reinstall the latest version. Reinstall LightyearVPN. First delete Lightyear in the control panel, and then go to the Program Files and Program Files 86 directory to see if there are any remaining files of LightyearVPN. Finally, reinstall the latest version. To install the latest version, you can download the VPN from the official website or download it from a network disk. 10. Upgrade Net Framework version. If the .NET Framework version is too low, you can try to upgrade .NET Framework to the latest version. It is recommended to upgrade to 4.7.2 or above. 11. Restart the computer. You can try to restart the computer. 12. Change port. It may be that the other software you installed occupies the port of Lightyear. You can try to change the port of LightyearVPN. For example, change the SOCKS port 8080 to 9090, or change the HTTP port 8081 to 9091. Then restart the computer and try. 13. Problems with Windows, Defender, Firewall. It may be due to a problem with the system firewall. Try to turn off the Windows Defender firewall, add LightYears to the whitelist or remove the blacklist, and then restart the computer. 1. Enter Control after Win plus R and press Enter. 2. Viewing method at the top right, view by category. 3. System and security. 4. Windows Firewall. 5. Please click Allow apps or features through Windows Defender Firewall. 6. Click to change settings. 7. Check the option settings of the application named LightyearVPN, including private and public networks. 14. Errors may occur when the network connection name contains Chinese. The name of the broadband connection or dial-up internet connection contains Chinese, which causes the LightyearVPN to fail to connect normally. Just change it to English. Open the control panel, Network and Internet. In the network connection, change your wireless network connection, local connection, maybe local connection 2, 3, 4, to try to change the name to plain English, such as network. 15. DNS settings problem. Because your computer may use domestic DNS and cannot resolve websites such as Google, you need to modify or add 8.8.8.8 to your DNS server list. For specific operations, you can also activate the automatically set DNS option in Lightyear settings. First press the Reset DNS Settings button, and then enable this option before connecting, or you can try to close this option and connect again. 16. The computer time is incorrect. It may be that the computer's time is not the current time, so the client and the server cannot communicate normally. Please try to connect after adjusting the current time. At last, if you still cannot connect to the internet, please contact online customer service to find a solution.